Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Steam disk write error. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type Steam. Right click on the Steam and select open file location. Right click on the Steam again and select open file location. Right click on the steam.exe file and select properties. Select compatibility tab and checkmark run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here and restart your Steam and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to open up Steam, select the Steam tab on the left top and select settings. Select the downloads option. On right side, you just need to scroll down, select clear download cache, select confirm and clear the download cache, and after that go to storage, select the three dot icon and select repair library and select yes. After getting repair done, you just need to select close and close stuff here and restart the Steam and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Just to scroll down. Now you need to select the link. It depends on your system type. If you don't know your system type, then you just need to go to search menu and type about your PC. Click on open it. In here you can able to see your system bit. After knowing that, just to close stuff here. If you are 32-bit, then select this link. In my case, I am using 64-bit. Select this link and it started downloading. After getting download done, you just need to click on it. Select the repair option. Select yes. After getting this setup successful, you just need to select the restart option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.